Picnic time for Abbie Wabbit. Today we're gonna be making pancakes.
We're gonna make Halloween pancakes. It's gonna be pumpkin spice flavor, and we have a Stranger Things decorating kit for our pancakes.
With jelly beans, sprinkles, and chocolate sprinkles, and icing.
Marshmallows. And to top it all off, we have Abbie's favorite, candy corn syrup. So today is about to be a sugar Russian day. Abbie's gonna mix together the pancake mix, Mommy's gonna make the pancakes on the stove, and then Abbie's gonna get to decorate her pancakes. Let's get started. So once Abbie is done mixing, I'm gonna cook it on the stove and we're going to see how Abbie decorates it after it's cooked. Okay, I have made the pancakes. Now Abbie's gonna decorate it. So this is Abbie's pancakes. Her Halloween Stranger Things pancakes. Now it's time for the best part. So do you like pumpkin spice pancakes?
I don't like them. I love it.
You love them? And you love, I know you love candy. Is this a fun breakfast for Halloween morning?
Yep.
So is it Abbie approved? Abbie approved. Okay, Abbie's gonna chow down and enjoy the rest of her sugared up pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.